So we're ready for a holiday trick, if you will. It's one of my absolute favorites. It is the chocolate and chai mix. It's so amazing, right? So chai meaning tea, right? Well, I love that flavor. It's actually taken on its own persona now. Chai, people will say, oh, it's chai flavored, meaning what they're saying is it's got masala spice in it with your black tea, but you can find it in your grocery store and everywhere else, like it's flavored with vanilla, different flavors, whatever floats your boat when it comes to tea is what you need to use the base for this drink. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna steep your favorite tea, and I'm using a vanilla chai right now, which you can, I know you can't smell it, but it smells so delicious right now. I smell like all the clove and all of the different flavors and the cinnamon that's in chai. So anyway, so it's you're gonna take 6 ounces of hot water and you're gonna steep your water. And you're gonna take it and you're gonna pour it into a pan, because if you're gonna make this for more than one person, if you're gonna do this for yourself, you can do it in a cup. But I'm gonna show you. So we have our hot tea in there, and then you're gonna take 2 heaping teaspoons of sugar. Now, if you are not a sugar fan and you want stevia, keep it not sweet, it's up to you. It's not a problem. Put your substitutions in there. The only thing I don't recommend is not putting anything, right? Don't put a little something, because you're gonna use cocoa powder, and cocoa powder without anything in it is very, very, very bitter. So unless you wanna make a bitter tincture, which has its place, you're probably gonna wanna mix this all together. So right now you have your sugar, your tea, your cocoa, and everything's in there, and you have this really nice, hot chocolate chai base. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more masala in there, because I just really love that flavor. I'm gonna put that in. Now you can use milk, almond milk, coconut milk. I'm just using water just because I don't know, I have this thing. If I'm gonna use, milk or something with my booze, it better be a milk punch. Other than that, I really go for, just keeping it light and sippable, so you can have more than one. So just like everybody else, I forget things too, but when I forget things, you gotta be innovative, right? So we need to make whipped cream for the top of our cocktail. And you have this little Hawthorne strainer. If you take your spring off, and yes, these come off for cleaning, and you take that and you put that into your shaker tin, and you pour your whipping cream in there, not milk, because it will not work with that, and you shake the out of it, you're gonna get whipped cream. So, here we go. Do you think it's gonna work? I don't know. We'll find out. Let's see. You getting anywhere? Oh, it's thickening up. Almost. A little bit longer. This is the best I'm gonna get in the shaker. Here we go, let's see. Do we have whipped cream? Ta-da!